loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning craft bestie, put a pink heart. If you're a new craft bestie, put a yellow heart. So as y'all read by the title, today we're gonna be letting Pinterest choose what I crochet again. This is part 2, obviously. Y'all love the last. Why did I slap my thighs that hard? Y'all love the last one so much, so I was like, I'm gonna give y'all a part 2. I had already wanted to do a part 2, so I was just happy y'all ate it up. So now I have a reason to let Pinterest choose what I crochet again. So y'all should already know the drill. Follow my Pinterest. In today's video, I'm only gonna do 2 projects. So I'm gonna try to do at least one big project and like one semi long project. Probably nothing too major, cause my attention span for crochet be like this much. If I can't finish it in a week, I don't want to do it. So plus I want to get this video out by a certain time, so I'm gonna try to not do no big projects. So okay, so I added a few new things to my Pinterest board, my crochet Pinterest board. So it's these bags, these t-shirt bags, but surprisingly I don't have no like old t-shirts I can cut up. And I don't see myself buying no t-shirt yarn, because t-shirt yarn is kind of pricey. But I want to do one of these one day. So one day I need to go to like the thrift store or something and get some t-shirts. I actually started one of these. It's in my closet. I just never finished it. We probably could do that. I'm not doing that today. I'm not doing no clothes. I like this. We're going to come back to that. If I do a bag, that's a big project. Especially a bag like this, that's a big project. I want to do a bag because I haven't made a tote bag in a long time. Like, it's been a minute. And I'm liking these big, like, granny square tote bags. I don't know if I want to do a sunburst granny square, though. So we're going to do a bag. Oh, well, she didn't use sunburst granny squares. Okay, so we're going to do this bag. I want to do one of these, but I feel like I can do that on my own time. We're not going to do a granny square hat. We're not going to do that because we did that last video. This will actually be a very good project to do because I really do have a lot of scrap yarn. But I don't know if I want to do in that type of scrap look. Like, I like this scrap look better. Look, I like the chunky looking ones. Like something like these, like with a double strand of yarn. So we can do this. I think that'll be fun to do. This. So we're gonna do this. We doing this. We really is. Cause that is cute. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I love these scrunchies. Those are so cute. I never made one like that. Those are cute. I wish I could put my hair in like a little bun, but my locks be kind of tense. Like, the tension just be a little too bad for me. That was real cute, but let's keep looking. Even though I know kind of what I want to do already, I just kind of like scrolling through Pinterest because I want to be a Pinterest girl, but it just don't be working out for me. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. Or we could do one of these bags. I'm not gonna say it, but that is. I just need to figure out a color scheme. I already know I want to do the scrap beanie. That's easy. So we're going to do that. Is this my pattern? That is cute. Oh, I'm about to cry.
A few moments later.
So I figured out what we're going to crochet. So let's move. We're going to crochet this and this. And that's our 2 projects for today. This probably gonna take like a day or 2 actually. So we're gonna start the scrap beanie now because I'm not doing nothing. So we're gonna start it now. Oh, do y'all remember this? I know I said I was gonna throw all of this away, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. I couldn't bring my heart to do it, and it looked like a big mess. It is a big mess. I could probably use that for my scrap beanie, but I don't want to go through none of that. So I think today is gonna be the day I throw that whole box away, because it's just getting bad. It's bad. It gets to the point where sometimes when I'm doing a project, I'll go pick out scraps. I'll go pick out scraps out of this box so I can use them. It's getting bad. It's getting bad. Don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me nothing. I know I said I was going to throw it away, but I'm starting to think I have attachment issues with yarn. Like, I will not throw yarn away. That was kind of too much. Let's go ahead and pick out our colors for our project, our yarn for our beanie. I like that 2-strand yarn beanie color combo look. So I just got multiple colors that I would like to see put together. So I'm excited. Now I need to pick out what colors I'm gonna do for this tote bag. That don't be fun. That don't be fun. But I have a feeling I need 19 squares. So it'll be good if I find like an ombre yarn I can use in the middle. And then just have like a solid color on the outside. I need to see like how many rounds. Like how many rounds is in a granny square for the bag. 5 different colors. So give me a minute. And then for the tote bag, we're gonna do these colors. Oh my god, it's gonna be so cute. Everything about to be so cute, and I'm gonna wear it all the time. I'm just so excited. Like, let's get started. Let's just get into it. Do I know how to make the beanie? No, because I never make my beanies the way they make theirs. I do my beanies like this. So it's gonna be a learning process. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've been crocheting for probably like 20 minutes. And I started the beanie, and this is what I have so far. I don't know why the camera don't be focusing. So I'm really just doing anything. I'm really not thinking too hard on it. So hopefully it don't look tacky. Hopefully it don't look tacky. I wanted a real colorful one because I don't know. I like colors. I like colors. And I'm trying to get in like my colorful era. Okay, so it is the next day, and as y'all can see, I finished. So cute. Like, the colorway, I thought it was gonna look tacky, but it is cute. It's vibrant. Like, it's just chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Now, it took a long time. I'm not gonna lie. This beanie took a little minute. Like, it took like, I mean, it didn't take long. I didn't sit there and crochet it in one sitting. I sat and crocheted in like multiple different sittings, and it took long. The color switch is long. So now I am about to go ahead and start my squares for my bag. I should have did this part first because I know it's gonna take long because I need 19 squares, and they need to be 5 by 5, all of them. So I don't know how long that's gonna take. So I'm changing the colors, and I'm going to use these two. I got this as a Christmas gift. My sister just hooked me up with all the yarns for Christmas. Like, look at that. That is so cute. The name of it, I know y'all gonna ask, is, I don't know. It don't have a name on it. But we're gonna use this for the center, and then this will be the border color. Hopefully I have enough because it looked like I don't have a lot. So we're gonna do that. And I feel like I should do one more project, but we're gonna see. Depending on how long this take, we'll see. But I love the beanie. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. With a black t-shirt, can never go wrong. So let's go ahead and start the purse. And if we do decide to crochet something else, it'll be after the bag. So let's get started. This is the part of crochet that nobody tells you about. All I did was take the wrapper off. What happened? What happened? Like, what happened? But anyways, I guess I'll sit here and talk to y'all. This is my favorite colors. Like this pink, orange. Like if I was a color, I would want to be this color yarn. Okay, I think I'm just gonna cut this off because I don't have time for that. We'll get back to all this because what I don't do is tangled up yarn. Well, let me not say that because y'all probably like, girl, we seen that big box of yarn you had at the beginning. Don't try to act like you just so clean now with the yarn. So let's see if we can do these granny squares. I'm not about to put myself on a time crunch because I'm gonna stress myself out. Okay, so I just finished the first square. As y'all can see, it's so cute. It's so cute. I'm happy I did this colorway instead of doing all them other colors because I feel like if I make it this color, I'm gonna actually wear it. And I think I'm going to line the bag so that, you know how like crochet tote bags, if you know, you know, they drop low to the floor. They drop low to the floor if you let them. So I'm probably gonna sew like a lining in. Probably not in this video. But next video I'll just show y'all if I do it. If not, then I'll alright. Okay, so hey y'all, it has been one day. It ain't been that bad. I still been crocheting, and I also decided to add one more project to the video. It was either between a headband or some gloves, like the fingerless gloves. But the more I thought about it, I was like, I'm not gonna use some fingerless gloves. So I still been doing my granny squares for the bag, and all I gotta do is line them with the brown or tan. And then I started these granny squares because I'm gonna make like a ear cover headbands with granny squares. So that's what I've been doing. And today I found out the library has like this little crochet kind of thing, like you go sit and crochet. And I think I heard something about some free yarn, so you know I'm going. And plus I just need to be productive, so I just want to finish all of this by Friday. I'm not gonna say tomorrow. I can finish the headband today most likely, but I want to finish everything by Friday so I can upload this video. And I really just need to get on my Zoom because I've been playing. I really found out that like if I don't have nothing good to watch while I crochet slow. Or like if I don't have nobody to talk to that's keeping me company. I kind of don't like talking while I crochet, but I just need something to watch to keep me engaged. Ooh. To keep me engaged so like it's not unbearable. So I'm about to pack my bag, and the thing start at 6:30. It's 4:24, but I'm gonna try to be on time so I can get that free yarn. So I'm about to finish crocheting.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it is now Thursday. I think it's the 10th. I don't know. I don't even remember when I started the video, but I am finally done. When I tell you I almost gave up on this purse, I almost gave up, but I was like, I'm gonna push through and I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna finish it. And I also changed the pattern because the real pattern, it called for 19 squares, but I just found a different type of bag and I made 14 because if I had to do the 19, I probably never would have got this video. So this is the bag. As y'all can see, it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. And then it's the back. And then it's the bottom. And it's cute. I got my pajama pants on, so I'm trying to hide it. And so I know I said I was going to do 2 projects, but I seen this cute headband on Pinterest. And I was like, I gotta make it. Can I focus? So this is the ear warmer I made, whatever you want to call it, the granny squares I told y'all I was gonna make. And I love headwear. Like when it comes to like some headwear, I'm gonna wear it. So crochet headwear, like it's just so cute. Once I have a retwist, it's gonna be even cuter. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You know how you never like really like, you know you made something and it's cute, but the more you stare at it or talk about it, it just get cuter and cuter. It's so, oh my, all right. Anyways, so this is my 3 projects, and it took me a bunch of days. It took me almost a week. It took me almost a week to make everything. Probably like 4 days. Not even 4, probably like 3-4 days. And it was well worth it, because this is not stuff I would have crocheted on a regular. So I definitely recommend y'all, if y'all got a bunch of stuff y'all want to make but y'all never know when y'all gonna make it, go on Pinterest, make a Pinterest board full of stuff you want to make, close your eyes, scroll, and tap random stuff and crochet it. I might do a TikTok version of this. Like, that'd be fun to do, like TikTok chooses without crochet. I just like stepping out of my comfort zone. That was one of my 2024 goals for crochet, to step out of my comfort zone. Anyways, y'all, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all have any video recommendations y'all want to see, comment them down below. Text me. We gotta be locked in, y'all. We gotta be locked in. Follow my Instagram. I'm gonna insert my Instagram right here. Like, send me some stuff y'all want to see on the channel, and I'm gonna do it, because we locked in.